Hi, my name is Ava Stowe and I am 15 years old.
My name's Haley Stowe and I'm 16 years old.
Hi, my name is Julie Stowe and I am the controller at OctoClean Landscaping.
My name is Yvonne Stowe and I'm a mother of 3 boys, Matt, Greg, and Shane.
Hello, my name is Peggy Rose Stewart. I am the proud mother of Yvonne Stowe.
Off the top of my head, the first woman that comes to my head is my Gigi. My Gigi practically raised me, so a lot of the reasons why I'm shaped the way that I am and I'm as powerful as I am is because my Gigi raised me a lot as a child. She's a storyteller and a fantastic woman.
One of the women that inspire me is a character called Peggy Carter. She was very brave and confident, and she didn't need other people's approval. She's from Captain America, the first Avenger.
Women that inspire me are just women I meet every day. You know, like my mind first goes to maybe someone who's famous in history, but sometimes it's just as simple as gesture or action of everyday women that I meet they're never given enough credit. Those are the women that touch me the most, that reach me the most. Other moms, girlfriends, people in business, making it happen.
There's a lot of women that have inspired me. Probably your Oprah Winfrey, I mentioned the other day, is also a huge inspiration. She had a very tough start and became one of the most amazing people, and she's a wonderful philanthropist. And being an African-American woman, she's the most famous of taking care of children and all the other things that she does. And sometimes I think we forget them. For some reason this morning, a visual of Betsy Ross came to mind, and I'm going, okay. So I did a little research on her, and she actually she owned an upholstery business after she left her family, because she married out of the Quaker faith and owned an upholstery business. And I went, oh, and that's how she ended up sewing our first American flag for George Washington. And I had no idea until I started, because I always have that vision of this beautiful woman sitting there with this flag in her lap, and I'm going, I need to know a little bit more about her. So I looked it up today.
There's so many people in history and in the world, but I sometimes like to think about the women that are not famous, that take care of their work, their family, sick parents, noisy children, but no one ever says to them, maybe you're doing a good job, or it's going to be okay. Those are the women that are never mentioned. And I don't know all their names. I know a lot of people in my life. My mother was one, of course, who lived and died in the same town where I was raised as a little girl. And she took such great care of me. And it wasn't until years later I realized what that meant for me. We all know the names in the newspapers and the headlines and all of that. But I think we need to honor those. And we women need to do it. We need a better job doing that, I think.